Video, I want to show you how to create company culture survey. First, you need to click extension, coffee form, and then .form template. And here you can search company culture survey. And after you found it, just click load selected template. Now you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. Just refresh the page and click coffee form and then get link. And just click continue here and choose your account. And then just click advance and go to coffee form. And now just click allow. And then you will get the link like this. Just copy it all and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. But you can also change the questions as you want. For example, here I want to insert new row. And I use tags here and just copy the questions and change it. For example, I want to change it into name. Yeah, like this. And go to your form and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change it into date, for example, and don't forget to change the questions text too, like this, and it will change easily. So the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Also, you can delete the row like this if you don't use it anymore, so the row will disappear. Also, go to settings to change the background color of your form. Pick any color that you want and it will change instantly. Also, you can give a new style for the title. For example, here I use smart behavior. Just follow the step if you want it to, like this, alternate and then scroll amount. For the scroll amount I use 25, but you can pick your number. Also, don't forget to close the code like /mark here and go to your form. And now the title is moving like this. Thank you.